As established women leaders, we're known for our resilience and determination. But scaling a business is no small feat, and doing it alone can lead to burnout. So let's dive into strategies for building a team that will not only support your growth, but also allow you to thrive. Hi, I'm Jennifer Kem. You can call me Jen. I'm the founder of the Master Your Brand Institute. Here we guide founders, experts, thought leaders, and entrepreneurs to build a wildly profitable personal brand from the inside out through the power of team, identity, messaging, and experiences. I upload a new video every Friday, so be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, then click the bell icon so that you're notified when new content is available. Now, on to today's video. Many of us face the scaling dilemma, wanting to grow our business, but fearing the burnout that often comes with it. What's the solution? Building a dream team. Here on our campus, we call our dream team a unicorn team. And creating your unicorn team starts with a blueprint. Think of it as your business's roadmap to success. First, identify your needs and goals. Use your network, online platforms, and professional networks to find candidates who resonate with your mission. Also, consider what roles are essential to your business's growth. Do you need a marketing expert, a project manager, a client support specialist? To best diagnose what roles and responsibilities you need to delegate, we use 3 total categories of roles: visionizer, strategizer, and mobilizer. For some brief context, the visionizer sets the vision, the strategizer charts the course to achieve that vision, and the mobilizer follows that path to make it all happen. Depending on what types of breakdowns are happening within your company, we can diagnose and prescribe the right new role or role change amongst your existing support. Identifying these needs is the first step. Now, I know we often want to do everything ourselves, me too, but delegation is your secret weapon. It frees up your time to focus on strategic decisions. I remember how in the early stages of my business, I thought I had to have insight and ownership of every area of the business, from marketing to administration to everything basically in between. I was working around the clock, burning myself out. But then I realized that to scale and grow, I need to let go. It was a turning point for me. I started to see that both myself and my team were more empowered when I handed over responsibilities and gave my team the autonomy to make decisions. Trust, my friends, is at the heart of delegation. And when you trust your team, it grows their confidence and their commitment. They start to see themselves as essential contributors to your vision. And that goes into my next point: communication and collaboration. Almost anyone who has read a leadership book knows that communication and collaboration are the pillars of a successful team. Fostering an environment where open, honest dialogue is encouraged and everyone's input is valued. But if you've ever actually run a team, then you know that the practical implementation of this is 10x or more harder than merely reading about it in a book. You already know that your team's insights can be a game changer for your business. So how do you foster that open communication without wasting time on unhelpful tangents or inputs? You run it through what we call the unicorn team framework. Each role within the unicorn team has designated areas of their role that they know they can and should push back on if their part of the business ecosystem is being compromised. This creates clear, respectful communication that allows the team to stay aligned to the common goal. At the end of the day, communication is key. A well-communicating team is a thriving team. Building your dream team is not just about expanding your business. It's about creating a sustainable, fulfilling life as an entrepreneur. And it takes time, patience, and commitment to your vision and impact. And then you got your freedom. Remember, scaling without burning out isn't just a dream. It's an achievable reality. With trust, effective communication, and a commitment to growth, there's no limit to what you can achieve. And most importantly, you deserve to thrive. And your dream team, your unicorn team, will help you get there. And that's a wrap on today's video. Remember, this YouTube channel is all about helping entrepreneurs and CEOs understand how to easily transform their team into that unicorn team. If you want to better understand the overarching idea of building a unicorn team, check out this video here. If you found value in this content, please be sure to hit the thumbs up button below so we can get this video in front of more CEOs who need help growing their unicorn team. Be also sure to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you're notified when new content is released. I'm Jen Kem, here to help you get the right messaging and the right team to support to build the wealth, power, and leadership you are meant to bring to the world. Until next time,